Hi, this is a video to show you the features of report solution offered by Omnichannel. First, let me log in into the Omnichannel page. I'm giving in the company name. I'm giving the username and password. I'm clicking on login. I'm getting logged in into Omnichannel page. This is my Omnichannel page. You can see here the module reports. And when I click on that, you can see the various kinds of reports that are offered standardly by our omni-channel. You can see activity report, wrap-up report, 3CX report, Oxcode report, advanced report, survey summary report, SMS report, call tariff report. And apart from this, we also customize and give report solution according to the requirements of our clients. I will be explaining each and every report and the uses of having such report solutions for your organization. Omnichannel offers accurate and reliable reports, and they can be generated automatically for any specific date range. Generally, you need report solutions for assessing the performance of your agents, to devise strategies to improve the process of overall operations, to identify lack of skill set in agents, and to provide training or coaching, or to motivate the agents in general, to understand customer handling pattern, to understand quickly the agent login summary, and to see whether the work has been fairly distributed among your agents. And if you have any particular requirements according to your organizational needs, we can include such features also, and that also can be checked out. Now I'm going to show you the wrap-up report. This is the page. Wrap-up code reports come as free when you purchase wrap-up code solutions from us. Wrap-up code reports helps to assess how the agents have handled their non-voice passive time. It also helps to analyze internal issues if any. Say for example, if the agent has tagged too many calls under disconnected, it indicates that there is an internal technical issue which has to be taken care of. The report also will show you the consistency of how agents categorize their call types, which hugely helps in sales and resolving issues. It also helps to create new strategies for the improvement of the process. Then wrap-up reports also help to assess how a call was finished and to identify any campaign challenges. I will show you how to generate reports. First, you have to select a wrap-up code. I have selected interested. Then I'm selecting a date range. You can select for any date range and then just click on generate report. You can see the report has been generated, and if you open the report, you will get to know the details of the from number from which the call has gone, the to number to which the call was made by the agent, the date of the call in call date, the duration of the call, the aux code that was given by the agent, and the call type. The call type is whether it is inbound or outbound. Coming back here, you can see the call history. You can see the phone number of the agent to whom the call has come, the call type, whether it is an inbound call or an outgoing call, the wrap-up code under which the agent tagged the call, and the call time will indicate the date of the call and the time of the call. Here you have an option to make a quick search by giving the phone number. I'm selecting the phone number 106. I'm giving a quick search. You can see all the calls and the details of 106 is being displayed here. Now I'll do it for 104 just to show the difference. You can see all the phone calls made by the agent 104 is displayed here. Likewise, you can make quick searches also. Now I'll show you how to generate 3CX call report. You have to click on 3CX call report and you can select the agent. I'm selecting 106 and then you can select call nature, the inbound call. I'm selecting and select the call type. I'm selecting answered call and you can select from date. You can select any date. I'm selecting a date range and I'm clicking on generate a report. The report has been generated. You can see the details such as the agent's name, the type of the call, answered because I selected so, nature of the call, inbound because I selected so, the call from, the number will be displayed here, the call to, again the phone number will be displayed, the time of each calls will be given, the duration of every individual call will be provided here and the recording path also will be there. Next, you can do the same for outbound calls. Again answered call I am selecting, again I am selecting the date range and generating report. You can see here the agent name will be given, the type of the call is answered but the nature of the call is outbound. Again from number to number, the time of the call, the duration of the call and the recording path will be here. You can do the same for inbound missed calls also by selecting a specific date range. I will show you. The report has been generated. You can see the agent name, type of the call is missed call, for nature of the call being inbound. Again the from number to number, the time of the call, the duration of the call and the recording path will be given. Likewise, again you can give for outbound call and missed call by selecting a date range. Again the report will be generated. You can see the difference over there. Again the agent name is given. Now the type of the call is missed call. Again nature of the call is outbound call. Again from number to number, the time of the call, the duration of the call and the recording path will be displayed here in the reports. You can get automated error-free reports. Again the call history can be quickly viewed here. The from number, the to number, the nature of the call, the type of the call and the duration of each and every call, the date and time of the call and the call recordings will be provided here. You can make a quick search over here also. Now I'll show you how to generate aux code reports. For that you have to click on aux code report. You can see the page over here. You can select an agent. I'm selecting an agent and then you can select the aux code. I'm selecting lunch. Whatever aux code is required for your organization can be added over here. And then you can select the queue status, whether login or logged out. I'm selecting login and then you can select a date range for which you need the report. I'm just selecting a date range and then you can generate the report. In the report you can see the agent's name that you had selected, the status of the agent and the reason for being logged in or logged out and the time. Aux code reports are very helpful to identify agents who deliberately manipulate the aux codes so that the managers can pick out such agents and motivate them to bring the best out of them. You can make a quick search of a queue over here and all the information about the queues will be displayed here. And this is your queue history, the agent name, the aux code that he has provided, and the type of the status, whether it is in logged in or logged out status, again the time and the date. Next I will show you the survey report. This is the page for the survey report. The survey report is very important in assessing the performance of the agent because the feedback comes directly from the customer. The agent, after the interaction with the customer, will request the customer to rate him, and that rating is being displayed here as the report for the specific date range that you need. Now I'm selecting a agent. I'm selecting agent number 605 and I'm selecting a caller. I'm selecting the caller 806. You can select any agent and any customer. Now I'm selecting the date range. I'm just selecting any date range. And if I give custom search, the data for that specific date range will be displayed here. You can see here the agent's number 605, the caller ID 806, the month, the year, the login date, time, and the survey report. Whatever the customer has given as feedback is shown over here. If I click on generate report, a report will be generated and downloaded, and I will open this report. You can see here the details, the year, the month, the date and time, the caller ID, and the rating given by the customer to the agent. The agent name also will be displayed over here. Next, I will show you survey summary report. Survey summary report also is a report about the agent's performance, and the rating is given by the customer, but you will get a sort of summary with the percentage of the ratings given. I will go to explain now. See, you can just select a date range for that agent, and then you can make a custom search. When you make a custom search, only that data will be displayed here as the survey name and the number of each feedback given. For example, if this is 48, if the customer has given good as the feedback, and if it is 48, it is showing the percentage also over here. And if it is satisfactory, 32 customers have given the feedback as satisfactory, and the percentage is displayed over here. Then you can also generate the report by clicking on the generate report icon, and the feedback will be given here, the details, the caller ratings, the number. For example, caller ratings, if it is good, then the number, say 1 good rating has been given, then the percentage, like that. The manager will find it very easy to assess the performance of the agent over here. Next, I will show you the SMS report. First, you have to click on SMS report. So this is the page now. SMS reports help to analyze the effectiveness of SMS marketing campaigns. It helps to identify friendly customers and to retain them, to revise the targeted audience, to spot potential leads, to reframe sales strategies, to assess the response rate, to create schedules for future, and to analyze the open rates. You can always generate the SMS report for any specific date range. I'm creating one now and I'm generating the report. You can see the report will get downloaded. I will open the report now. You can see the report. The SMS is sent to the number to whom you have sent the message. Sent by, it will be your organization, or if any particular department has sent or particular campaign, that name can be entered over here. The message is very important. If you are going to analyze the message content and revise it for further follow-ups, and to the country that you have sent, the center ID, the SMS amount. You can check out the SMS amount here. This report comes as a free solution along with the SMS package that you buy from Omnichannel. And if you see there, you will be able to view the SMS amount, whether it is prepaid or postpaid. You will be able to see how the charges have been detected. So that will come as a report here. I'm going back to this page and you can see the complete details displayed over here. The number that you have sent the message to, again, who has sent. It may be the organization, the department, or in the name of any campaign or offer like that. The exact message, the country code, and the sender ID, and the amount that is been charged. And you can make a quick search also. Next, I will show you the activity report. I'm clicking on activity report. You can see here, you have to select the agent about whose activity you want the report about. I'm selecting the agent 611 and I'm giving a caller number. You can give any contact number to which the agent has interacted, and you can give the date range for which you have to create the report, and click on generate report. The report will be generated. I will open this report now. You can see here the report about the activity of the agent. You can see the contact name, the name of the customer with whom the agent has interacted will be displayed here, the phone number, then the agent's name or the number. You can customize it. Then the notes is the description that the agent has made about the conversation between him and the customer, the department to which the agent belongs, the activity of the agent, the created date and the created time, when it was created, the date and time can be registered over here, and then the responsible department. Supposing if it is an issue belonging to the technical department, he can mention it over here. Supposing it is an enquiry which has to go to sales department, he can mention here like that. He can mention regarding the department to which the query or the issue has to be sent. So this is your activity report. Next, I will show you the advanced report. I'm clicking on advanced report. You can get the report about your overall service level. This is the performance across the various platforms in your organization. Agent service level is about the performance of an agent, and then agent login summary will show you the logged in status and the logged out status of the agents. And the call report will give you information about the from number, the to number, the call duration, the date and the time. Now I'm going to select overall service level, and then you can choose the format of the report, either HTML or Excel. I'm clicking on Excel. Then you can give the name according to your convenience. I'm just giving us overall report. Then you can select a date range for which you have to create the report, and then click on generate report, and the report will be generated. To have a quick view over here, you can just click on this view icon. All this is the reports that I have already generated. You can generate how many ever reports you want and it will all be displayed over here, and you can have a quick look by just clicking on this view icon as I'm doing now. You can have a quick look. Now I have clicked on the report about the queues and the details are being displayed here. Likewise, you can generate a report and have a quick view. Next, I'm going to show you the call tariff report. I'm clicking on call tariff report. The call tariff report offers information about the calls made by the agent to the various customers in various countries. It helps the managers to get to know the tariff history, to assess how the strategies of marketing should be revised according to different countries, and then to assess whether there is enough ROI, and to get to know about the billing information. You can see here you have to first insert the agent's number. Any agent's number you can insert, and then you have to give the contact number. Any of the contact that this agent has interacted with should be provided, and the date range for which you want to generate the report should be given. And if you make a quick search report, that is if you click on search report, I'm clicking on this, the details about the interaction of this agent with this customer alone will be displayed. You can see here the call was made to 820 by the agent 712. The duration and the call rate, the start time of the call, the end time of the call, the billing code and the country, all the details will be displayed over here. Likewise, you can generate report for various agents and various customers in various countries. You have to click on generate report to generate call tariff report. Omnichannel also offers customized reports according to the requirements of its clients, and certain report solutions like WrapUp, 3CX, Oxcode, SMS and call tariff come bundled with their respective products. For any further enquiries, you can contact us at any time. Thanks for watching the video.